Hi all, welcome to post market report of Zebu school, and today being an expiry day, the volatility was at its peak. So from the morning, so what has happened and where it is now. So looking at where is Nifty, so Nifty is closed around 15,556, that is almost 143 points up for the day, and Bank Nifty is 33,135, that is 289 points from yesterday's close. It is up. VIX is slightly down, that means 2% down. Looking at the close to close price action, seems to be VIX seems to be like okay, but if you look at the intraday wise volatility we have seen, so that and this VIX is not at all correlated. So if you start from like where we have left it from our morning view, so this is the level I said, so 15,800 to 15,600, because why? That is the key level. So around you can assume that 15, so I said 15,620 to 15,630, okay, because why this zone? Because there was a gap zone over there, that is the zone, and exactly in the morning Nifty touched this gap zone, and from there around till 1 o'clock if you look at, we reached this place. Okay, even I was expecting somewhere around 440, 450, when we reached around this place, exactly this zone, 382, 420 zone, and again, and from there, again from 1 o'clock, what has happened is market given almost 16,000, 15,600 it went. So almost 200 points of swing. So gap up was trading around 200 when we did our like live market opening report, and then from there again almost, not almost, like more than 250 point fall was there, okay, and then what happened from there again almost 180, so roughly 250, so 200 points move from the beginning 3 times. So that is why I said VIX is not showing the real picture of what has happened today, but it's yes, as the move has happened in the up move, and the volatility has substituted. Okay, this is the case, and even this is the reason why I said on expiry days don't try to play heavy quantities in the current weeks. Okay, so from now here on, what is going to happen? Same way for Bank Nifty also, we wrote it down. So 33,300 to 500 zone. So was making that high around 400 to 411, because that is when we made our video, and I said that is the place where you should be looking for short, and even from there almost 800 point has come, not even 800, I think more than 800 point fall has come in, and then from 32,680 levels, okay, from there again market has reached 33,300. So even the swing is wild for the both Bank Nifty and Nifty. So now from here on, again for the next 4 to 5 days view, what I am going to say is just remember these levels, okay, because what I expect is market needs to break any of one of these levels, so that it may take a fresh move in terms of this one. And what I am expecting is again this expiry is over, and next week is going to be the final week expiry of the monthly. So that means a monthly and weekly is going to coincide, and obviously you are going to see lot of volatility. I am not sure about what is the direction, but it can swing between these levels, and even it can go beyond this level, but there will be some kind of volatility will be there. So if at all, if I am looking at market, so again on a higher time frame market is bearish, okay, but I do not want to sell at the support, okay. So whenever it reaches the support, I might be looking at the structure, okay. So as a structure on a very higher time frame, okay. So Nifty seems to bouncing, and then this is what I said, some terms of 15,700 to 750, it can make a top, and then again it is consolidating. So if you look at what I expanding is, a lot of volatility will be there, because this is the final week and the monthly expiry. So I expect lot of volatility. Sometimes what can happen, both these extremes can breach also, okay. So if at all if it is going to breach, then again I will play with the structure, and we will come to know, because what I was expecting in the morning was a proper sell off as per structure, but again after the lunch time market has again gone up, because I did not expect again to come up, but we need to see whether it's a real strength seen in the market, or just to trap last minute sellers in terms of expiry. So some people will be selling naked options for a kind of pennies, right? That could be because based on that, but we need to see again FAI data and DI data, because you looking at yesterday's data, I was expecting something okay, but seen 1000 crore, roughly 900 crore net outflow was there, but gap upped hugely. But that's the reason I was expecting market to come down, but it came down, but again it has went up. So we need to see today's FAI and DI number and then can get a conclusion out of it. But even in our morning report, what we seen is the market swings is opposite to the net numbers. So last 3-4 times whenever we seen buying from the net inflow, so market gap down. Again yesterday we seen net outflow, so that means supposed to go down, because that's what even I expected. But to everyone's surprise, market has risen, again it has fallen, again even to my surprise, why it has bounced back again to the morning gap up level. So we don't know, we need to see. So if there is a clear change in structure, so might be it can go 750. So once this is broken out, so that is what I said, so 15950 to 1650 is the next level. So below this I think we may not see, probably we may test the lower, but what it will happen is the next week market will tend to go higher, and then from the higher level there could be a steep fall, and I don't expect this to break. Okay, so personally this is what my feeling is, and even I position for this. But below this, if at all if it is going to fall, always ensure that your risk is in control. Okay, with that in mind I am saying most probably again so looking at price action and all those things, I expect tomorrow to be a slight gap up. Okay, we don't know whether it is going to clear this or not, but slight gap up I am expecting, and then may consolidate in this zone. Okay, may consolidate in this zone, and then suddenly some kind of volatility will creep in the next week. That's what my expectation towards this, and I am not going to trade in this coming week. I have shifted most of my positions to the July, even both the Nifty and Bank Nifty. I am not trading in shorter expiry, that means the more volatile expiry which is going to come. So I am not going to trade my view on anything on that. So if at all if I am trading, I will be tightly trading with July, and for the July, so some kind of cross hedging I can do it in the weeklies. This is what my plan is. So next 4 to 5 days, if you ask me again, because this is, I think this is the third day with the same level I am presenting my video. So again another 3-4 days I am expecting the same level. Okay, so as a structure, again nothing in mind from me. So tomorrow if there is a small gap up, then as per structure I might be trying to sell here. So that's what my thing is, because though market is in sell on rise, but you need to wait for the rise to sell. Okay, and that's it from my side as an update. Maybe we will reanalyze everything as the market opens tomorrow and based on the global data and FAI DI numbers. Then in the morning we may have a good idea about what's to be done either for the tomorrow or for the next 3-4 days. And I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and these levels will be helpful for you too. So do join for tomorrow's live market opening report. Thank you.